So thank you. As I've said, I'm going to take you through the safety measures and how to use an incubator. Incubator, we have said, is a specialized machine that is used here at NBU. We use them for the babies who are preterm, very low birth weights, and also sick babies. It's used to give temperature, the standard temperatures. We have types, they are two, open and closed. What I have here is a closed one. With my machines, it has different parts. It's covered with a transparent glass outside. Then it has the wheels that you can be able to move. You can be able to unlock and move the incubator to the desired area that you want. Then it has a start button where we can be able to start. You can be switched. If it's connected to the power, you can be able to switch. What we have settings, but you can be able to change according to the desired temperature that you need. It has the two readings, as you can be able to see from my side. Here it's the temperature inside the incubator, and this one is what you can be able, the temperature that you can be able to set. You can be able to lower or raise. So just press the start, then you can be able to either use the arrow facing upward, you can be able to raise the temperature. If you be able to press, you can be able to adjust from that 6 either to that 7, or if the temperatures inside you want to lower, you can just be able to adjust and lower the temperatures to the desired. That's also need to check. That's basically on the setting of our incubator. The other one we have talked about, it's providing the humidity to the baby who is inside. So our machines, it has some special area where we can be able to put some water. So the moment you come, you have to check this one. We have a trap that is filled with water. We need to clean it regularly. Sometimes that water becomes dirty, so we have to clean it regularly. Check your incubator. In case it's not working, you can call either the nurse who you're working with or from the maintenance office. In case you have come in, you have switched your machine, it's not working, it may be having some fault. If you are trying to warm the temperatures and temperatures are not rising, they're still low, know that there is something not working well with your machine. So you have to call the assistants or the qualified nurse who you have for quick assistance. Remember, although these are all external temperatures that are recording, you have to check the baby's temperatures inside, because maybe sometimes machine could be having a fault that's giving a false reading. So you have to confirm the baby if what is here is what the baby temperatures are. So you have to confirm. That's why we also have thermometers. We use thermometers to check the actual baby temperatures. The other thing, it has a window. The window, and also it also has fans. With mine, it has 4. It has this one, 2 fans here, and also I have the other one here. This is how it has something like handle. You can rotate it clockwise or anti-clockwise in case you want to open it. Sometimes temperature is high inside and you want to lower it. Once you have regulated here, you can open the fence and let some free air to circulate inside. The next one is about if you want to admit the baby inside the incubator. I've said we have the window, so we have to open the window. Here we have the bed or the couch that can be able to lie the baby. You also need to make sure before you bring your baby inside, it need to be clean to prevent infection. So it prevents cross-handling or cross-infection for the baby, because once they are protected. So not only you come and just reach the baby like when we are in a open incubator. Again, it also helps to protect, like here in Kitui we have mosquitoes and the other growing insects from reaching the babies. So once the baby is here, we are able to protect from those insects that can bite the baby. Once the baby is out, or once you have opened these windows, and the baby is here, maybe we open this during feeding. You can open this one, or when the baby is on phototherapy, we need to do turning and all that, change of the diaper. Ensure that once you are through with this door is closed, you have to close this door for the safety of the baby, because some baby are very active. As you know, babies are very active and they can fall from this machine, then we'll end up having an accident that could be able to prevent. So make sure the window is closed. So in summary, what we have said with when the baby are inside, make sure the window is always closed for the safety of the baby. The other one, we have talked about the setting. Make sure the settings are correct. And also we have also said, apart from checking the setting, the temperature setting outside, which are correct, we also need to check and confirm with the thermometer that the baby's temperatures, because we have said machines have some fault. So it could be giving us wrong reading, yet the temperatures baby inside is different. So you have to compare the baby's temperature inside and what the machine is reading. So the last one is about the general cleaning of the incubator. Before you admit the baby to incubator, it has to be thoroughly cleaned. And once the baby leaves the incubator, it has to be thoroughly cleaned. And inside here, we have this one, the mattress that with a couch. This one, you have to be covered with a different, we have a sheet. The sheet need to be cleaned to prevent cross-infection of the baby. So we don't want to have one baby who was here with a different case, then another baby comes in and gets that same condition. So ensure the hygiene of the incubator machines is highly maintained. Thank you for listening and watching.